The work culture of Impinj has been really good. I've really been enjoying working with my team members and learning about the overall scope that the factory team is building. I have really been enjoying going to Bagel Fridays. It's good to have an overall picture of what the company is doing. I've been working with Kubernetes a lot recently. Our Kubernetes deployments for our servers on AWS, all sorts of kind of DevOps tools that I hadn't used at my previous job, such as Terraform and other tools that deploy to AWS. And so it's been kind of eye-opening how cool some of these tools are that Impinj is using and how much of a difference they make in a developer's everyday life. The team I work on supports all the engineering side of things. So we support, manufacturing of the chips themselves, not the actual, hey, it gets out the door and goes into a customer's hands and they use it. We support, yield, we support, the actual manufacturing and metrics and helping our interior team and our subcontractors know about the quality of their wafers and, how many are usable. On the factory team, our main goal for 2021 is to get our services that are currently deployed on-prem into the cloud. Obviously, we'll still have to support some existing resources that are scattered throughout Impinj. This will make deployments and development overall easier, and we don't have to maintain any hardware. The costs will remain the same, and our customers will be impressed with our higher uptime and better reliability. I've been working remotely before the pandemic had started. I initially had the problem with becoming detached from work. I was working really long hours, and then layoffs came around mid-July, and sadly I was one of the 70 people who got laid off in my previous company. But of course, you make an opportunity out of something bad. You find a company that better fits your needs or skill sets and has room for you to grow and improve. And Impinj has kind of given me the opportunity and provided me some avenues where I can grow and become a better developer.